Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. In today's video guys, we're working on Mercedes W204. This is the C-Class from 2008 to 2015. So what we're doing today guys, okay, we are going to show you how to remove and replace master window switch. Okay, this one right here. If yours doesn't work, stay with us and we're going to show you how to do that now. Please don't forget to subscribe guys. We have more than 200 videos on that car. We'll take the whole thing apart and we'll have more on world mechanics as well. Please check it out. Okay guys, so what we're going to need now, okay, plastic removal tools, screwdrivers, okay, and we're going to get a big tool like that. Don't use the small ones. Okay, let me compare them. Something like that, it's not going to work now. We'll need it later. We need one of those big ones. The wider the better. And let me show you now why. You need to put the window down all the way. Okay, then you need to come on this side. Okay, and you need to pry, okay, this thing open. Okay, just very gentle with it, okay? And you need to go up a little bit, okay? And it's going to come out, okay, like that. You don't need to remove the whole trim. It doesn't have any clips, it just goes right here in, so you need to be extremely careful right there. So, why we needed to do that now? Let me show you. Underneath, okay, right here there is a clip guys. Okay, so you need to grab it with your pliers, okay, and pull the clip out, okay, like that. Then, with the trim removal tool, okay, we'll try to remove that clip as well. It's pretty tight there. Okay, but eventually it will come out. You may try on the top part as well, just a little bit on one side, a little bit on the other side, and it's going to come out. Take your time. Okay, and don't push it. Oh guys, and we got it out. We broke ours on one side. It won't affect it because it's hidden. You can buy replacement ones and we have the links. That's why it's a good thing to watch what we do before you guys do it, so you can avoid our mistakes. So how you put that thing together? Okay, it's important. You cannot push the middle part in from the outside to the inside. You need to go from the inside to the outside, and you can see there is two teeth on one side, one tooth on the other one, and here there is a side with two canals for the two teeth and one canal, okay, for the single tooth. Okay, so when you're ready to put it together, you have to go from the inside to the outside. Okay, you're going to go like that, and when you're ready you just pull it with the little pliers from the inside. And okay, I'm going to show you. Just you need to push it, okay, and then you can just grab it with the pliers, okay, and pull it out. Okay, once it's installed on the vehicle, I just wanted to show you, okay, how exactly that thing is, so okay, you know what to expect. Okay, almost there. You need to get thin pliers. Okay, right there. That's it. Even with the plastic, that's all we need to do. It's really complicated thing. The older models before the facelift will usually have a screw here with a Torx 30. Some might differ. Okay, next guys, what we need to do? We need to remove, okay, the cover. Okay, right here. Okay, so with the window down, it's really helpful. Okay, we're going to come here, okay, remove the seal a little bit out of the way with a plastic removal tool now. Okay, we're going, okay, to pry the cap open. Then you need to come this way, and in an angle towards the front there is three clips. Okay, let me show you where the clips are located. 1, 2, 3, and they go, okay, in these holes, okay, right here. Okay guys, and this is the tweeter. Here we can disconnect it now. Okay, with a small screwdriver, okay, you need to just pry it out. Be very careful. Okay, the wire stays here. Next we need to get, okay, Torx 30. Okay, this is the start looking bit. Let me show you quick, okay, what it looks like once we pull it out. We like that too because everything stays put together there. Okay, the links guys will be in the description of the video, so if you need anything you don't need to waste time finding it. Okay, so right here there is two screws, you see them. So you need to go ahead and remove those. They're pretty tight usually. Okay, one got loose. Okay, so we'll get a magnetic screwdriver now once it's loose. Ah, okay, it just fell. We'll pull it out. This is the screw, guys, okay, right here. Okay, one more on this side. Okay, this one is, you can see it got loose as well. It's skipping now. So let's see if we can pull it out as well. Okay, perfect. And that's what I like about all screwdrivers. You have magnetizer that you can magnetize any tool that you want to. Okay, so we're ready with the screws now. Next, guys, it's important to know where the clips are. So once we remove the door panel, we'll show you exactly where, okay, all the door panel clips are located. So you know, okay, where exactly you need to apply some pressure. And believe it or not, this thing never been removed. It has 40,000 miles, so it's really tight. If the door panel hasn't been removed, everything will be super tight. And it's tight. You might need to try on the other side, depending which side is going to give first. Okay, and once you get your fingers in, you can just pull it. Okay, the clips might fall out. We're going to show you how to fix that if it happens. Okay, now we need to lift, okay, straight up. Okay, get the trim out of the way. And this is, guys, okay, because we need to get, okay, this lock thing out of the way now. Okay, a little bit stuck here. Okay, it just came out like that. Now we need to disconnect the door handle cable, okay, which goes, okay, like this. Okay, you go like that. Okay, let me just grab it good. Okay, and if you go a little bit in an angle, you need to pull straight up. Okay, careful not to break the teeth there. Now we need to disconnect some wires. This is for the master window switch, door, for power mirrors, all that stuff, for the seat switch as well. Okay, so we disconnected those. Now let me show you where all the clips are, guys. Okay, that's very important to know. Starting from this side, okay, you have 3 here, you have 3 on the bottom, you have 3 on the other side. So all together, guys, you have 9 clips. So the master window switch, guys, right here now, you access it from the back. That's why we need to remove the door panel. So you have the wire here, okay, and that middle piece is here, right here. Okay, let me demonstrate you what you need to do. Okay, right here, you can see you just push it like that and pull out. We have 4 screws now with a Torx, okay, right here. This is Torx 10. This is the star looking bit, Torx 10. Okay, very little one. You have to make sure that, okay, you have the tools, because otherwise it's almost impossible. With that little screwdriver here, power screwdriver, we're going to remove them, but you have to be careful how you install those, because it's very fragile and little component. Okay, 2 more on the bottom. Okay, and this one we will not be able to reach there, so we'll just use the regular screwdriver there. Okay, and remove the last one. Okay, perfect. Now all you have to do, just grab the switch, okay, and pull it out. Okay, like that. And this is, guys, right here, the master window switch out of our 2014 Mercedes C250. When you are ready to install it, guys, all you gotta do, push it in, okay, like that. It just goes in. You have to hold it with one hand, install the 4 screws, and after that you will have to connect the wires and install the door panel in reverse order we took it apart. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe.
So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.